What is up guys, Burst here, and today I'm going to unbox this awesome Beyblades. So these are the December release Beyblades. This is Josie Achilles and this is Random Booster Volume 13. And it's way too early and a lot of people bought it, so there's only 4 in the store, so I hope I can get Air Knight. So first, let's unbox Air Knight. So RBV13, I hope it's really good. So I don't have a tripod with me. Yeah, see, this is my feet. I don't have a tripod, and yeah, I'm going to open them using my keys. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys. So yeah, first Beyblade. No way. No way. It's Air Knight. Yep. I got Air Knight. So let's unbox that later. And sorry for the finger. So this is, I don't know who this is. Who's the Beyblades here? So I think it's Emperor Fornius. No, it's number 4. Number 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry guys, I don't know who number 4. Oh, it's Hell Salamander. Hell Salamander number 4. So I got Air Knight and Hell Salamander. Next is, well, it's the white Air Knight. So I got both Air Knights. And last box, I hope this is Revive Phoenix. Oh well, yep, this is a lucky day. This is a really lucky day. So I'm going to unbox the Air Knight for you guys. So yeah, so guys, I got Air Knight and I'm going to unbox this on another video. So Burst, peace out, bye bye.